Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen. And today I'd like to show you how I made this nice, good biscuit, sausage, and egg sandwich. Follow along with me and I'll show you the way I did it. Okay, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to put these into the oven for 350 for about 10 to 20 minutes. We'll be back. Okay, we're going to crack 2 eggs. And it's going to take just a plastic little spoon or whatever. You don't want it real big in it because it's just a small cup. You're going to stir that real good. Get that right there good. And you got this right here. This is the keep it formed. Get you a little spray on. That'd be good. Just gonna set this in here and let that warm up. Like that. We'll come back in a minute. Okay, we're gonna take this off. It's probably gonna still run a little bit, yeah, but still take it off. Just flip this. Need to see something to prop that wire. Stick this over there. Okay, like that. And what we're going to do is just break this axis off. Stop, look at that biscuits. Those are nice looking biscuits right there. Okay, we're going to start off with 6 patties. Let those cook there. Okay, I'm going to start by flipping each one of these. Okay, well, I got this side like this. I want to put this over here. And I want to smash these just like I would patties, hamburger patties. If you want to, I just like to, I like the smashed sausage patty. Take a look at them patties. I just now got them flipping them. We're gonna set them on here, and then click on that side. Okay, now we're gonna try to flip these again. Put this right here, and now we're gonna take a scissors. Take this side here, flip that, looking real good, flip that. Yeah, oh yeah, that smells wonderful. And we're going to flip this one, very good, very, very, very delicious looking. No, those are good looking patties. We're going to flip, set them sit for a little more longer, and then we're going to take them off. Okay, we're going to do a taste test on this now that I did the sausage and eggs and cheese. Anyways. That is delicious. I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit that bell so you didn't miss a notification, and I'll see y'all next time.